Hi everyone. Today I want to talk to you about two different types of video content, both of which I think are really important, equally important in fact. The first is what I call disposable content, and that is content that you see mainly on social media platforms, things that people scroll through and maybe they'll check out. It generally has a shelf life of about a day or so, but it's still good because there's a rawness and authenticity to it, and it's cheap to produce. You don't have to take much time, and it keeps you in front of people's eyes as well. The other type is what I call evergreen or long-lasting content, and that is content that has a shelf life, right? Months, even years. That's the kind of content that you need to have professionally produced because it shows that you're legit. It builds trust and builds credibility with your potential clients or customers. Both are very important, and both will help you build your business and your brand. Have a great day.